How to lock Snapchat on iPhone with Face ID. To get started, first of all, go to the main menu on your phone and look for the Snapchat application. Then press and hold the Snapchat app. Here, tap on the Require Face ID option. Tap on Require Face ID again. This app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content and other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. Snapchat will require a Face ID to open from now on. Now go back and try opening the Snapchat application. Check if it asks for the Face ID to open. Once it opens, you'll be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat as shown. On this screen, you can take snaps and videos on Snapchat, share them with your friends, and enjoy. You can do the same for other apps as well to lock them. Following these steps, you can easily lock Snapchat on iPhone with Face ID.